Hello everyone. Today I want to talk with you about the history of banking in India and the history of banking in Karnataka. The most famous bank in India, which all of us know as the State Bank of India, first originated in Calcutta as the Bank of Calcutta, then it became Bank of Bengal, and then it became now it's currently known as State Bank of India. Similarly, Karnataka has a very long history with banking. In Karnataka, between 1880 and 1935, almost 22 banks were established in coastal Karnataka, in Dakshin Kannada area of Mangalore, Udupi. Most Among the most famous banks that we know of, the Canara Bank, was established in 1906, almost 111 years ago in Dakshin Kannada. The Vyasya Bank was established in Bangalore. The Karnataka Bank, State Bank of Mysore, Syndicate Bank, Corporation Bank, Vijaya Bank, all these banks own or trace their history in Karnataka. Now, today it has become very, you know, previously Reserve Bank of India had a policy of banking in three languages: Hindi, three official languages, I must say: Hindi, English, and the local language of the state. Now, what has happened in Karnataka over a period of time, all the state banks have moved from three language policy to two language policy, which is basically two languages, which means basically Hindi and English. Now, I don't oppose Hindi, but if you think of it, it's about, if you think of someone who is in a rural area, maybe think of a farmer who is a matriculate, who has studied till class 10, but he has studied in Kannada medium. A farmer working in Tamil Nadu, he has studied till class 10, but he studied in Tamil. A farmer in Odisha, he has studied till 10. He's matriculate, he's educated, but he's educated in the local language. Now, today, if what the banks are doing by banking in Hindi and English, they are basically making these people who are literate as illiterate, because they don't know and they understand neither Hindi, they understand neither English. And when they go to bank, they cannot fill the forms. The only thing which RBI, or the only thing which State Bank of India has in Kannada, is the rules. How does it make sense? The banking rules are in Kannada, but the challans for depositing money, the withdrawal slip for withdrawing money, I'm not saying checks, I'm saying withdrawal slip, because in if you go to your own bank, there's also an option to withdraw, I think, up to 6,000 or 8,000 using withdrawal slip. So this, people use, a lot of people in villages, they use withdrawal slip, and they are denied these they don't know how to fill it, and they have to ask someone to fill it for them. I studied in Mandya. We had our bank, my bank account was in this State Bank of India in Kaithangiri layout, just down PS College of Engineering. You can still see the college logo on the t-shirt. And whenever I used to go to bank for any work, I felt bad, man. These people, they have to request people every time to please fill the form, and it's not like they're illiterate. They used to sign in Kannada. They are literate, guys. I mean, come on. So what we request the government of India, the finance minister, and the government of RBI, whosoever is the concerned authority, please look into it. This is not a issue of region. This is not an issue of language. Please look into it from a humanitarian point of view. Think about someone. For example, imagine, I think Ananditi Bhattacharya is the CEO of SBI. Imagine that you take her, and from her name she looks like a Bengali. You take her, put it in, say, some country in South Africa. No, put it in some African country where they speak Swahili. Will she be able to do banking? And they say, no, this is our language policy. We only do banking in Swahili. Or imagine she's given a boarding pass. She has a transit. Say she's flying to USA. She has a transit from Dubai, and the people in Dubai give her a boarding pass which is in Arabic. Would she be able to find her departure gate? Would she be able to know the time her flight is flying? Right? Not right. What do they use? They give it in English. Why? English is not the national language of Dubai or United Arab Emirates. English is the language of convenience which people can. Similarly, in rural Kannada, Karnataka, Kannada is the language of convenience. Please do understand this. Please think about people. Please make Kannada as a banking language in Karnataka. Thank you. And I request you to sign the petition which is there in the link at the end of this video. Thank you. Jai Hind.